Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this makeup look. It's inspired by the Gigi Hadid 23rd birthday makeup she wore. It was yellow with brown and yeah, smoky. So I really like the look of it. So I created this look and I hope you enjoy it. So today I'm going to start with my eyes. And I'm going to use the NARS concealer to prime my eyelids. Then I'm going to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in Prism. See, not in focus. This one. All over my lid. Then I'm going to use my Makeup Geek palette and I'm going to use Peach Moody. Then I'm going to use Crème Brûlée, also from Makeup Geek. And then I'm going to take desert sand then I take Chickadee Then I'm going to use my Melt Cosmetics Rust Stuck in the color Rubbish. The same Rust Stack. It's Rust Stack. From the same Rust Stack stack, I'm going to rust and put this in the V. Then I'm going to go to Rot. Then I use a clean brush to blend everything together. I'm going to use the first shade from the stack again. So that was Rubbish. And I'm going to blend it again in my crease. Then I'm going to use another Melt Cosmetics stack. And this one is the Dark Matter stack. And I'm going to use a Dark Matter by itself. I'm going to use a flat shade brush and I'm going to start by my lash line and I'm going to buff it up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use a concealer brush with some concealer. And I'm going to clean up the eye. then I'm going to use this yellow. And I mix it with Chickadee from Makeup Geek. And I'm going to balance it. I'm going to blend everything here away so there are no harsh lines and the excess concealer is gone. And then I'm going to use a little bit of the black again to make a little shade over here. So it's not a straight line, but then I'm going to use the same yellow shade of the prism and I'm going to put it also up the crease. So the yellow shade is also a little bit here. Then I'm going to tightline my upper lash line, and I'm going to do that in my mirror because otherwise it looks creepy and it looks just creepy. So I'm done with tightlining my upper lash line, and now I'm going to use a liner to give myself a wing. Then I'm going to curl my lashes because I'm going to use false lashes. Now I'm going to give my lashes a coat of mascara, and I'm going to use the L'Oreal Ecstatic, so Paradise Ecstatic. While my lashes are drying, I'm going to brush my brow through, and I'm going to put my lashes and my eyebrows on off camera. So I have my brows, now I have my lashes on. I wear the House of Lashes Iconic Light. And now I'm going to do my foundation, and I use the Dear Forever again with a little bit of the Sephora drops. Then I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Oh yeah, and I already primed my face. And then I'm going to use my Laura Mercier Laura translucent powder. And I'm going to let that sit for a little bit. I'm also going to put it on the places that I crease. The rest of the face I don't touch because I want to have still the glowy look, because when I look at the picture she was very glowy. She was like a goddess. While I let that sit, I'm going to give myself a little contour. I'm going to remove baking. And then I'm going to do my lower lash line. When I look at the picture, the main thing that I see is that she has the same bright yellow under her eyes. So I'm going to drag this a little bit more down and to the center. I'm going to use the same two dark brown shades and a little bit of the pukey color, and I'm going to drag it underneath. And because it looks very smoky, I'm going to put some black eyeliner or black liner in my waterline. Mainly at the outside. Now I'm going to use some blush, and I'm using the MAC Copper Tone. And then I'm going to highlight my face with champagne pop. Then I'm going to put some setting spray on. Going to bounce with my beauty blender so the highlighter and everything is melting together. Then I'm going to do my lips, and she had a very nude lip, so I'm going to line my lips first. This is D minor, like that. Then I'm going to use more creamer, please. And no shade. And to top it off, I'm going to use Moonchild from Colourpop X Light. So this is the finished look. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and then I will see you soon in my next video.